Hey guys, it's Sarah from ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we have a review and install of the RedRock 4x4 3-inch round curved side step bars, fitting your 07 through 18 two-door Jeep Wrangler JKs. These steps feature a 3-inch tubular stainless steel construction with a textured black powder coat finish. They also include a non-slip pad for entry into your Jeep in all kinds of weather. So if you take your Jeep off-roading frequently, or if you like some more aggressive trails, these might not be the right choice for you. These don't offer as much protection as a rock slider would, and they're going to decrease your ground clearance as well. However, if you prefer more mild trails, or if you're just looking to add some side steps to your Jeep, especially if it's lifted, these are an excellent choice. Coming in at around $140, these are a budget-friendly way to add some function and style to your Jeep. I'm giving this install a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It can be done in approximately 2 hours and features a direct bolt-up installation. Alright, with that said, let's jump right into our install. For this install you will need a 10mm wrench, the included Allen key, an extension, a 13mm socket, and an impact gun. Alright, so we're going to attach our brackets to the bottom of our Jeep. Make sure that you're grabbing the proper one. They should all be stamped. For the side of the Jeep you're working on, we're on the driver currently, and F for the front bracket. Line it up with the threaded hole. If you don't see your threaded hole in here, there's an included nut plate that you can use. But since ours has the threaded hole, we're going to grab our hardware and thread it in. We're just going to thread this in loosely for now so that we can get the rest of our bolts in. Next up, grab your smallest hardware and line it up with the holes on the pinch weld to the holes on the bracket. And your bracket should be sitting behind this pinch weld. Make sure that you get a washer on either side. With the included Allen key and a 10mm wrench, we're going to tighten these down. Next up, grab a 13mm socket and tighten down the bolt that goes to the bottom of your Jeep. You made it an extension here. Line up your second bracket. Again, make sure that it's stamped with the proper side and back, or R for rear. Grab your hardware and thread it into the bottom of your Jeep. We're going to tighten this down a little bit for now to hold it in place, but leave it loose so that we can get the rest of our bolts in. Grab your smallest hardware and get it through your pinch weld into the back of your bracket. Grab the included Allen key and a 10mm wrench and tighten this down. Grab your 13mm socket and tighten down the bolt going into the bottom of your Jeep. Line up and get your side step in place. Line up the holes on your side step with the holes on the bracket. If these don't look like they're aligned, loosen up the bolts in our last step so you have some more space to align them. Once the bolts are in, grab your 13mm socket and tighten them down. Grab the bolts for the front bracket and get them lined up. Grab your 13mm socket and tighten these down. All right guys, that's gonna do it for the review and install of our RedRock 4x4 side steps. Remember, for all things Jeep, keep it at ExtremeTerrain.com.